So after the last video I did, wound up taking a bunch of gravel roads out to do that delivery for that windmill gear, which caused my headlight to quit working again. That one's nice and bright. That one is just extremely dim. So since the last time I didn't walk through it and show you how to fix it, I guess I will this time. Not that I'm going to fix it permanently, but I'm at least going to attempt it yet again. And this is the kind of crap I deal with our yard. Just a muddy ass mess. And yeah, sure, I could disconnect and go somewhere else that's less messy, but hell, I'm already here, so the hell with it, I'll work with what I got. Taking it off here so many times that I know it's a 1/2 inch for these bolts here, and to get this cap off inside of here, it'll take a Torx. So once I get the headlight assembly off, I'll get onto that. So last time it was inside of this case here that was bad, so I've got to undo these 3 here, and then I can get inside of that. Okay, so just loosen these up. You can see it's a T20. I'm using the socket style Torx wrench. And just for the hell of it, I'm just going to throw the extension on there, be more like a screwdriver. Go hit the light. Let's see what the freaking hell we're gonna get out of this. You already see that one's working just fine. This one here is not working just fine. You see it light up down below. Okay, so it's very dim. Monkey around in here a little bit. Wiggle that wire again. There we go. So I touched right here and it started working. Don't know what the hell I did. Might be a connection further back. So let's take this one apart. I monkeyed with this one too. So this is the one I messed with. You can see that one of these prongs is just a little bit off of the others. The middle one. So I'm just going to grab a pair of needle nose pliers. fit in there. Just tweak it. Oh, it's got too big of a top. Okay, these needle nose are a little small. So I'm going to try to tweak them a little bit. Just so you can see a little bit of the angle here. Alright. Hopefully when I put that back together, that light will come back on. So we're bright again, so it winds up being this connector here. So all that's left to do now is just put that damn thing back together. Alrighty. Reassembly is not excruciatingly difficult, but big hands with these little tiny connectors suck. It would be better if I had this sitting on something soft, but I have nothing soft to sit it on. So inside of here, you'll notice how one of these connectors is sitting there, the other one's loose. If you run the wires to the back, that connector has a spot that it's supposed to slide into. That little groove right here slides into a little area right there. A little T-shaped thing. Just sits there like that. So we'll put all this back together, and before I actually reassemble everything on the truck, I'm going to test it to make sure the damn thing's still functional. This is probably why a lot of these headlights look like they're scratched to hell, because drivers have to constantly fix these $1,000 headlights. This may not be everybody's problem, but it seems to be what mine was. Go across a bumpy road and it disconnects again. Starts working like crap again. I'm actually going to put it in place. That way I don't have to do that again later. There we go. Reconnect that. Reconnect that. It has a place to put it right there. This one just kind of rides up in there for some stupid reason. And this one, of course, goes up in here. And to get it to lock, it's a counterclockwise twist, which I always thought was the way to pull it out. But nope, that's the way that it locks into place. So, lights back on. Obviously, driver's side's still working. And the passenger side is working again. You can actually see the beam. So that's all back together. All that's left to do is just throw these little covers back on. Put the nut back there. Got one more nut underneath this other cover. Alrighty. All kinds of bad angles for me. I got a bad back, so bending down like that hurts more than it helps. I don't know about the rest of you, but I don't mind spending 15 minutes of my own labor to try and save $1,000 or a couple $100 ticket, depending on how much the DOT wants to get angry at me. So it's working again. The headlight's all scratched to shit, but I don't care. So sick and tired of replacing parts on these damn Cascadias. Just build a better product, Freightliner. People like me can actually do the work, save ourselves $1,000 on our off time. But it would be much better for all of us if the product was just better. So if that's your problem with your guys' headlights, because I've seen online a whole lot of people saying, why the hell is my headlight quit working? Forums are asking people, hey, do you know how to fix this? So that's how I fixed mine. It's probably a temporary fix, but if it doesn't go back out again, I'll be ecstatic, because I'm tired of working on this damn thing too. But it's what we got to do when times are slow. Right now our freight is down. I do flatbedding now. Got away from hauling containers, and you know, flatbedding should be hopping. Container side, ocean containers, there's just nothing doing there. Most of my co-workers that do that are sitting at home, you know, 2, sometimes 3 days a week. Same company too. And when I did containers for them, so there was no such thing as sit at home unless you were sick. But now, you know, times have changed. So do what you got to do. And for me, sorting tools is what I got to do now. And too many tools and too small of a toolbox. So hopefully that is all I got to do. And you can see how much I use this damn toolbox. It's dirty, greasy, grimy, and it just kind of hangs out right here. That's its happy little home. And with that, we hope for no rollovers too, because if I get a rollover incident, all this extra crap I got in here that I got no room for anywhere else, it's gonna kill me. With that, everybody out there, drive safe. And if your light has quit working and you don't want to spend $1,000 to fix it, maybe try that out.